Ooh, look at this. In this video, I'm gonna go over my top 5 low-calorie, macro-friendly meals you can get at Subway. We're going over the price point, how many calories is it, and if it's worth fitting into your diet. Wait, they'll all fit in your diet. Are you ready? We out. What's going on? It's your boy, Louis Ha Fa Sho. You know how we do. So a couple years ago, I started a series called the top 5 macro-friendly, low-calorie meals you get at restaurants. And the majority of them did pretty well. I did Taco Bell, Burger King, and those are my most viewed videos on the channel. But I decided to bring the series back, and we started off with Subway. We all know the slogan, right? Eat fresh, all that good stuff. But if you're not careful, you don't understand the calories, chances are you might select a high-calorie item without even realizing it. But don't worry, my friends, I'm here to save the day. Without further ado, let's open this up. All right, so I ordered 5 6-inches, but they gave me a foot long. Hey, thank you, Subway. So for each one, I'll go one by one. However, most of it is similar items. And what I mean by that is I save calories by not adding any cheese. I added all the vegetables because they're all very low calories. So that's a hack. Because they're low calories, they're also high in fibers to keep you full longer. And I selected different breads for each one. I think there was 4, but I didn't select the flatbread. So I got the wheat, Italian, and then the cheese bread one. Anyways, we'll go over it. But before we get started, this is a fitness channel, so we have to go over my 4 rules. The first rule is I follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of my calories come from whole foods, which means lean meats, fruits, and veggies. And 20% of my calories come from foods just like this. My second rule is I don't skip my training, I don't skip my workout, I don't skip my cardio. I personally like to go in the morning, get out of the way, but you can go anytime you like as long as it fits you and your schedule. And the third rule is we eat our maintenance calories or below. So when you eat your maintenance calories, you don't gain weight, you don't lose weight. If you eat above your maintenance calories, you gain weight. If you eat below it, you lose weight. But hey, what if you don't know your maintenance calories? Well, my friend, lucky for you, I have a free calorie calculator. Just go to BRINGTHESHREDS.com/tools. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Just type in your info and you'll be good to go. And the fourth and final rule is we don't drink our calories on this channel. Unless it's vodka. All right, so these are all numbers, so it might be based off the receipt. So hopefully it'll make our lives easier. If not, I'll just tell you what it is. So first, let's go with number 1. I'm not sure what this is. Let's open it up first. Ooh, look at this. All right, so which one is this? I think this one is the Subway Club. So it's turkey, ham, and roast beef. So all 3. So guys, coming in at 360 calories. And if you want to know the rest of the macros, I'll leave them right here. And yeah, like I said, all the veggies. Oh yeah, I did honey mustard. So honey mustard is extra 60 calories, which is not bad. It's worth it for me. But if you want to go lower, you can go regular mustard. And most of the other sauces, I don't try to touch like the oil and all that stuff. If you want to add salt, that's cool too. For me, I'm okay without it. Enough talking. Subway Club. Let's do this. Oh, that is good. This is cool because it has 3 meats, so you get more of the meat flavor, you know what I'm saying? Really good. I like this a lot. This is actually the first time I tried this order. I'll tell you my go-to order is one of these. But for this one, this is pretty good. This one's more expensive than the other ones, maybe because it has more meat, so they charge more. But this one came out to $8.19 for a 6-inch. Thank goodness they hooked me up with a footlong because $8 for a 6-inch? Remember back in the day they used to have $5 footlongs? Dang, what happened to that? Oh yeah, inflation. Thanks, government. Oh yeah, rule number 4, we don't drink our calories on this channel. So today I have a nice Coke Zero. 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 everything. Not sponsored. You can't go wrong with Coke Zero and Subway, am I right? Let's get another bite. This is really good. Guys, we're starting off strong, so I hope the rest are just as good, because this one really is. Again, Subway, thank you for hooking up with the footlong, because $8 for a 6-inch, goddamn. All right, guys, let's move on to number 2. All right, so I think this one is the Veggie Delight. Big shout out to all my vegetarian and vegan viewers out there. I don't know why you guys watch my channel because I eat a lot of meat on this channel. Maybe you guys are living vicariously through me. Well, my buddy Gabe, shout out to you. I know you watch my videos. So Gabe's the one that worked on my website. If you guys go on it, all the back end stuff, that's him. I'm more front end because you guys know me, but Gabe, Veggie Delight, this is for you. Same thing, all the vegetables. I think I added honey mustard. Oh yeah, I did add honey mustard, pepper, same thing. But this time I added the cheese bread one. What the heck was it called? You guys know what I'm talking about, right? The bread with the cheese on it. So this one's actually 40 more calories than the wheat and the Italian. And the reason why I got that is because, I'll be honest, I need some flavor. Just kidding, vegans. Don't kill me. I think it's just vegetables, right? Bread and vegetables, a lot of carbs. I don't know if I tried this bread before, because every time I go to Subway, I always find the lower calorie options. Because this is 40 more calories, it does add up. So to me, it is a big deal, all right? Anyways, guys, enough talking. Veggie Delight, 200 calories. Let's do this. Not gonna lie, guys, it's good. It just reminds me of eating like a very colorful salad, you know what I'm saying? And the bread is kind of like the croutons. So it's not bad. Can a little protein be added to it? Yeah, I would like that. But remember, guys, this is a low calorie video, so I wanna give you guys options. I would be honest, I would think this sandwich would be very boring just because there's no meat. I'm a meat lover. However, it's not that bad. Especially with the bread with the cheese on top. I know if you're a vegetarian, no, vegetarian's okay, but vegans, you're not allowed to have cheese. You might want to switch out this bread for one of the other ones. Sorry. Moving on to sandwich number 3, and this should be the roast beef. And I am correct. Look at that. Ooh, this one's on the Italian. First one was on the wheat. Second one was on the cheese one, whatever it's called. And this one's a classic Italian. Roast beef Italian. Again, all the vegetables, lots of fiber, fill me up, low calories, right? A little hack. Honey mustard, my favorite. Can't go wrong with honey mustard. And some pepper. And this one is 320 calories. Also, not bad. Actually, they're all not bad. That's why I picked them. All right, guys, let's do this. Guys, I think roast beef is underrated, right? I don't know about you guys. What do you guys usually order when you guys go to Subway? I'll tell you mine and one of the other ones because it's coming up. But I usually don't get roast beef. Even though roast beef is delicious, it's low fat, high in protein. It's pretty good, I'll tell you that. I do like the Italian bread. White bread, classic American. And when I say American, I mean not like American cheese, but like when you grew up eating like a bologna sandwich, you have to use white bread, right? The Wonder Bread, you guys remember that? Cheese, bologna, and mayo. Not healthy, but delicious. Childhood classic. With a side of Lay's and apple juice. All right, you know what I'm talking about. All right, guys, we got 2 more left. Let's go to number 4. And this one's my favorite. The oven roasted chicken breast. So guys, this is my real go-to order when I go to Subway on a diet. When I'm like cutting means cutting weight, dieting. I get the wheat bread, the oven roasted chicken breast, all the vegetables, of course. I usually get honey mustard, but this time I got the sweet onion. So it's basically the sweet onion teriyaki. So the honey mustard is 60 calories. The sweet onion teriyaki is only 30 calories. So even though honey mustard is my go-to and it's worth the extra 30 calories, this one's only 30 calories total. The other one's 60, remember? Another hack for you. If you guys like sweet onion teriyaki, let's bite into it. So this one's my favorite because not only is it low calorie, it's also macro friendly. So macro friendly, to say in layman's terms, is what I like to do. Foods that are very low calorie, not very low calorie, but low fat, medium carbs, and high protein. Because you know, when you like to work out, you gotta get your protein in to help your muscles grow, you know what I'm saying? So chicken has the highest protein and that's why I like it a lot. Let's take another bite. Again, guys, you can't really go wrong with either or. It's really just up to you, your preference, your goals, right? Last but not least, sub number 5, the turkey breast. Wheat bread, all the veggies, honey mustard, pepper, coming in at 280 calories. This is the turkey breast. You can't go wrong with a nice turkey sub, am I right? So as you can tell, a lot of these have very similar themes. The breads are either 200 or 240 calories. Load up on all the veggies, right? Low calorie, high in fiber, keeps you full longer. And like a lean meat. Remember rule number 1, the 80-20 rule? 80% is like high in fiber, fruits and veggies, lean meats. So we have the turkey, the roast beef, the chicken, and then the first one was all three. Not chicken, but it's like roast beef, turkey, and ham. So guys, there you guys have it. My top 5 low-calorie, macro-friendly meals at Subway. Let me know which one's your favorite out of the 5. For me, it would have to be my go-to. Number 4, the chicken. The best macro-friendly one, just because chicken is higher in protein, low fat. But honestly, you can't go wrong with either or. And also, what's up with these price points, Subway? Like, they used to be $5 footlongs. Now it's like 6 inches for $8, $7, $6. I understand. Inflation. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Bring the Shreds. We're all about moderation, not deprivation, because life is too short for brown rice, broccoli, and chicken breast all day. Am I right? So if you haven't already, please subscribe. I paid for all this myself. This was very expensive, by the way. It was like 40 bucks. I tried looking for a coupon, I swear, but they didn't have it. But I know these kind of videos are important, especially when you're learning about dieting and all that good stuff. I'm here to help, all right? Don't forget to bring the shreds, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.